Hi designers and creatives, and welcome to my course where you will learn how to crush it with your Photoshop design sketching skills. Now you might ask, why should you take this course? Well, I remember being an industrial design student back in Sweden some years ago and how much I loved to sketch. I've been sketching for as long as I can remember, always trying the best to improve my skills. But there was a problem. I couldn't find any good courses or ways to learn this, except for trying to do it all myself. I mean, we had books and sketching classes, but they didn't really give me what I was looking for. I wanted a more interactive class, someone that would guide me in my learning and show me the shortest way to get to the next level. It wasn't the same as having a mentor showing me exactly what to focus on to get there. And that's why I created this course. Here you will learn everything I know about design sketching and everything I learned in my career as an industrial designer. From working with companies in Sweden and China to the projects we did with Audi and Lamborghini during my master year in Italy. All the way to where I live right now in South Florida, where I help companies solve their design issues. From what tools to use, to how to unblock your creativity, to ideation sketches, texturing, and rendering, it's all here. I will always be here to help you in your learning. Simply use the discussions in the course to post any questions you might have. I guarantee this course will dramatically boost your design sketching skills. Try it out for 30 days and see what you think. If you feel it's not for you, I offer a full refund within 30 days. So what are you waiting for? Click take this course right now and start creating beautiful designs today.